I'm John from PHLster, and today we're going to talk about 3 techniques for deep carry draw. Deep carry refers to part or all of the pistol grip riding below the belt line. Users have been pushing the limits of concealment with their Enigma systems, using the capability it provides. This includes a lot of interesting developments in deep carry. And people are using this method to conceal in swim trunks, crop tops, or in regular clothing in high scrutiny environments. Previously, this kind of deep concealment had a lot of drawbacks, which made it a much less optimal practice. With a low-riding holster attached directly to the pants or the belt, grip access is inhibited since the pants or belt cannot move out of the way of the gun. The obstructing garments are attached to the gun, which results in an unacceptably slow or inconsistent draw. If your holster is attached to the garment is effectively part of the holster. With the Enigma, the clothing and the holster are independent, so the pants become just another cover garment, for which we have reliable methods to clear away during the draw. In this video, we're going to talk about 3 methods for deep concealment draw: the demonstrated concepts method, the modified demonstrated concepts method, and the downward garment clear. First is the demonstrated concepts stab method. Our friend Rhett Neumeier at Demonstrated Concepts Training teaches this method. There's a link to his work in the description. This method is especially useful if you're still wearing pants with a conventional belt or pants with a structured waistband. The belt or waistband will gap slightly between the pistol grip and the body, and the 3 fingers of the dominant hand stab into the gap, and the whole hand moves laterally to acquire the grip. With practice, this results in draw times comparable to conventional AIWB carry. Second, for unstructured or elastic waistbands which don't leave enough gap, Sarah's recommendation is a modification of this technique in which the curled knuckles of those 3 fingers push the material away without snagging. Lately, we've seen a third technique emerge. Since it's intuitive to treat the pants or shorts like they're just another cover garment, we've seen people start to develop a 2-handed draw used in context where the shirt either isn't present or it's a crop top which doesn't need to be cleared out of the way. The support hand clears the waistband downward, and the dominant hand accesses the grip conventionally. There's an important safety and efficiency tip which we'd like to emphasize as this method gets traction. Make sure that the non-dominant hand is moving upwards and out of the way of the muzzle before the gun clears the holster. As soon as the dominant hand makes contact with the grip, release the waistband of the pants. Not only does this keep your support hand safe, but we know the fastest, most consistent presentation of the pistol includes building a 2-handed grip early and near your sternum. By ensuring that you're still collecting the gun in the same spot, your support hand isn't chasing the pistol as it's being presented onto target. In a conventional draw, the support hand is already in that location as a result of clearing the shirt out of the way. So ensuring that the support hand is there before the gun is there will keep your hand safe and make your presentation much more consistent. Make sure that you don't sweep your hand with the muzzle of your gun at any point during the draw. And of course, ensure that you have a clear and unobstructed path back to the holster when putting the gun away. You may need to manipulate your pants or the holster to ensure that the mouth of the holster isn't covered. So start by anchoring your elbow to the body with the muzzle in a safe direction. This physical index will completely prevent you from muzzling your support hand or your body while you push the holster above the belt line, or if you need to unbutton your pants or pull down the waistband. And ensure that your hands and legs are fully clear of the path of the muzzle when the gun goes back in the holster.